Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. Yep, I'm in the shisha. It's freaking hot. We're on track to break the record for longest heat wave in June in Minnesota. Aw, that's so awesome. You know, winter, people talk about the winters in Minnesota, but they forget that we have like extreme summers as well. So they talk about the 40 below days and they're like, I don't know how you guys do it. Well, yeah, we also have the New Orleans weather for long stretches of time. We have it all. We're fortunate that way. I think. But I want to finish painting this today. It's still sticky. And the cats walked on it last night. So the cats only come upstairs. They don't like the dog. So at night I keep her in the bedroom with me so that they can come up and walk around and do their thing and investigate what's happening up here. I'm hoping that they eventually come together. They're getting closer. But anyway, so they were in here last night investigating the new coffee table. And they left me some kitty prints. I'm gonna have to get that washed off and I'm gonna do a light sand. It is, like I said, still a little sticky on that. It's the weather. It's so freaking heat. I am sweating and I haven't done anything. Like, I dropped the kid off at school. She has 3 days that I actually have to bring her this week. Thursday will be her last day. Wednesday, she doesn't go into school because she's still remote 1 day a week. Why they maintain that, I don't know, because they're lazy. Anyway, next year better be back to regular school or I'm gonna kill somebody. Anyway, I do want to scuff it. I'm just gonna get a scuff pad on it and scuff it up, but the weather is making it not dry quickly, which is really frustrating because I can't move in here. I can't even turn this chair around completely, to tell you the truth. There is another piece I need to upholster here. There's another piece I need to paint here. If you could actually look down, which I'm not going to show you because you would scream. And then to actually get in here so I could do this, I had to move 2 chairs out to the hallway. So yesterday's video, there's like 2 chairs just sort of hanging out in the hallway. I realized it when I was editing it, and people are gonna be like, why are these random chairs in the doorway? Because I can't move if I don't move them out. And I have no room for them otherwise. So I need to get the coffee table finished. The legs won't be here till Wednesday, but I am gonna move this out of here to finish drying when I'm done painting it today. Today's the day. It only needs 1 more coat of paint. So I want to clean it up and get that coat of paint done so I can move on to the handles, which are, told you I couldn't move, brass, if you remember. And I was thinking about, it's not real brass. They're like worn off. And I was thinking about, since the hairpin legs are black, I think I'm going to paint these black. It'll look good on the gray. I was gonna leave them alone, but then I was like, well, the hairpin legs are black. Let's just make it match. So I do need to bug my husband about getting in his spray booth because there's literally nowhere I can spray. I can't spray outside. The cottonwoods have gone crazy. I can't spray inside, and it's too hot and sticky if I do spray it. Because I thought, well, I'll spray after dark because the wind dies down. And then the cotton's not blowing everywhere. I could still do that. I could still do it after dark. It'll just stay sticky though. Decisions will be made, let's put it that way. And they will be made to be black. I have plenty of black spray paint. Handles are just easier to spray paint. And then I always put them on pegboard and hang them. So like this, because this doesn't come apart. I will screw them into pegboard hanging upside down, and then I will put it between my sawhorses and I'll spray so that you get all the sides. Then you have to leave it hanging to dry. Therein lies the rope, because if I leave it outside, it's going to stay sticky and the cotton's going to start blowing in the morning and they're going to get covered in cotton. I have to rig up a way to hang them inside. Yeah, seriously, decisions will be made, but let me get this cleaned off and scuffed up, and we're going to finish painting that and move on to a different project today. All right, the second coat is on. I'm gonna paint this thing. So this is something Victoria wants for her room, for little makeup and nail polishes and whatever. And I haven't finished painting. Wait, so let's get this out of here. This one's a little stiff. I think it'll be okay though. Yeah, it'll be okay. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, I am getting warm in here. I am going to move out to computer time. It's time to get some a blog post up for tomorrow. And this stuff's all drying, so I can't move in here. So it's time to move on to the computer. And later on today, hopefully we will get that thing finished up and out here. Hopefully it dried. Look at me. Oh, it's hot. Do you see my little tent city I made? I have tented my windows and the front window because the sun has been obviously making me break out. So I have to keep the sun off me at all costs, and I didn't want to wear my swimsuit jacket. Not for aesthetic reasons, because naturally I don't care about that. Just because it's not as comfortable as being with your, arms free. So I decided this was the method I was going to use to keep the sun off me while it's 100 degrees outside. Because I have to pick up Victoria, so I have no choice but to sit in a very sunny location. And it's like, you know what? Let's DIY this, guys. She's going to be horrified. I can see out my back window though, and so when the teachers come to get her number, I can make sure that this is down, but I cannot have sun beating on my arms anymore. It's just not good. So, embarrassment or not, all embarrassment aside, we're gonna stay cool and hopefully rash free. Look at, I've like itched holes in my arms. It's been so bad this year. Oh well, it is what it is, right? But it seems to be working. I mean, I don't have any sun on my arms, so that's perfect. Okay, I just finished all the blogging stuff. The whole rest of my day is gonna be Etsy listings, so not visually appealing for you guys, I don't think. I mean, I've done that a million times for you guys. The fan on my computer, I'm sorry. So I mean, I feel like I should just end the video now and be done, because I'm so behind on Etsy listings. So I'm just gonna take pictures the rest of the day and get that all taken care of, because it needs to get done, y'all. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you haven't yet gotten one of your shirts, don't forget to click the links below. You can find your pack and be part of my pack. So get your Happy Junkin shirts, or your You Had Me at Junking, or Super Junker, or get one for your Junkin buddy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.